How to fix camera video recording no sound on iPhone. Check microphone icon. First, open the camera app on your iPhone and swipe to the video mode. Now start recording the video, then swipe down to open the control center. At the top, click on the camera option in the dynamic island. Here you will see the location and microphone access by camera app. If the microphone is not visible, then try these few steps to fix the issue. Force restart. Press and hold the volume up and volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. Now restart by entering the passcode and check whether the microphone is visible or not. If not, then try Update iOS. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and click on General. Next, look for the option Software Update and click on it. If you have an update available, then update the software. Make sure you have installed the latest version of iOS software. After updating the software, check whether the microphone is visible or not. Still, if it is not visible, then try Reset all settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on it. Now click on Reset, and then tap on Reset all settings from the pop-up. Next, enter the passcode and click on Reset all settings to confirm. After restarting the device, check if the microphone is visible or not. If not, then contact Apple Store. After trying all the above steps, still if the issue is not fixed, then it might be a hardware issue. Visit the authorized Apple Store to fix the issue, and that's it.